Hey, are you looking for a great deal on Underglow for your car? You want to light it up, spice up your car a little bit? I got something cool for you. Here it comes. Today I wanted to show you LED undercar lights. Picked it up for $70 off Amazon. You can see here I purchased it July 16, 2021. It was a really good deal, great price, highly rated. Out of 3,050 ratings, it's 4.4, not bad. I've had them on the car since July and no issues at all. These things are amazing. I'll have some video coming up in a moment to show you what they look like when they're actually on and working. It's not that hard to install them at all. You can zip tie them up. It's real easy. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I really appreciate you being here. Hopefully you like the content. Stick around, watch more videos. Try to bring the best free games and budget gaming tech here on the channel, helping you save money. Ad-free, 4K, always. 12 volt, 300 LEDs, underbody lights. They're waterproof. I've had, like I said, zero problems with these things. It comes with a 6-month warranty. You can download for Apple or Android, either one, doesn't matter. You have all kinds of different functions you can do. This thing is just ridiculous. You can do speed adjustment, brightness, pick your own color, have different chasing modes. You can even have it go to music. I mean, it's phenomenal. IP68, completely waterproof. Even the connectors, the control box. You can do two-way power, whether it's to the cigarette lighter or if you want to just hardwire it, which I did. And you can see right here they give you a diagram showing you the proper way you should set it up. Now in my car, I have dual exhaust coming out here. So I got my lights doubled up right here in the middle. You can do that. Different colors. Here we go, shockproof, easy to install, 1-year warranty. It comes with 6 different pieces that you can tie together.
Don't make a fool out of me, man. Don't make a fool out of me.
Okay, let's go ahead and get to the demonstration for you. Okay, here we are in the Magic Light app, connecting to Bluetooth. You can download this for Play Store, Android, iOS, Apple, doesn't matter. Here's all the different changes and the colors you can use, the brightness levels. You can set it to run the volume for the music you're playing, the functions, set up custom. Right here on the bottom, you can see on the bottom row DIY in the white square. Click that, pick a color you want, you're good to go. You can even pick off colors. I'm going to show you the different colors and the patterns and things that I personally run. 7-color crossfade, red gradual, green.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. We out here.
Thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Hopefully it made you laugh or saved you some money. If it did, hit that subscribe button down there, the red one. Make sure to leave a big like on the video too if you enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this, click right there. I'll see you in the next video.